Good morning, students. Now, yesterday in the video, I have discussed with you the history of classification, means how the organisms are classified from the starting. Okay, I have started with Aristotle, two kingdom classification system. Then finally, I have discussed with you the five kingdom classification system, which is in your syllabus and in these days used, right? That five kingdom classification system is given by Whittaker. It is also called Whittaker's classification system. Five kingdom classifications, right? Whittaker has divided all the living organisms into five kingdoms, right? Now, what is the basis of his classification? I have already discussed with you, again I repeat. He divided all these animals into five kingdoms basis of certain characteristic features, right? The first feature he has considered cell type, means what type of cell is in the organism. Second, cell wall, what type of cell wall the organism is having, whether it is present or absent. Then nuclear membrane, means whether nuclear membrane is present or absent. Then next feature he has considered body organization. Now body organization means whether the full body of the organism is made up of cell or tissues or organs or organ systems, means what level of organization that organism is having. Clear? And the next feature he has seen when he divided living organism into five kingdoms, the mode of nutrition, means what type of mode of nutrition that organism is having, means whether it is making its own food or take its food from other living organisms, right? So these are some of the basic features Whittaker has taken to divide all living organisms into five kingdoms. Clear, beta? Again I repeat: cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, body organization, and mode of nutrition. Clear? So, what are the five kingdoms Whittaker has given? That is given in your book. The first kingdom he has made is Monera, second is Protista, third one is Fungi, and fourth one is Plantae, and the fifth one is Animalia. Clear? So, these are the five kingdoms given by Whittaker. Now, today I will discuss with you only the first kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. Okay? One by one, I will discuss all these kingdoms in detail with you. Clear, beta? So, today we will discuss only the one kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. Okay? Now, let's see. Now, if we see in kingdom Monera, first feature, that is cell type. The organisms which are kept in Monera, they are having only single celled. Clear? And that cell is made up of prokaryotic. Clear beta? Cell किस टाइप का होगा? Prokaryotic. You have done already. Now अब मैं बता देती हूँ कि prokaryotic cell क्या होता है बेटे. बिल्कुल सिंपल सेल जो दुनिया में सबसे पहले बने थे. Pro means पुराने ज़माने का. Prokaryotic means, karyo means nucleus. So in these cells, the nucleus is not fully developed. Clear? जिसमें कोई न्यूक्लियर मैम्ब्रेन नहीं है सेल ऑर्गेनेलिज में, ठीक है, मीन्स मैम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेलिज आर एब्सेंट, वी कॉल दैम प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल. तो इन मोनेरा ऑल द ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सेल? प्रोकैरियोटिक. क्लियर? एंड दे आर मेड अप ऑफ ओनली वन सेल. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द सेल वॉल, the cell wall of the monerians is non-cellulosic. Clear? Means cellulose की नहीं बनी होती, but a non-cellulosic, that is, then it is made up of polysaccharides and amino acids, right? Now, if we talk about the nuclear membrane, as I already told you, this is made up of prokaryotic cell, so it means nuclear membrane is not found, absent. Body organization, as I told you, these are unicellular organisms. So it has only cellular level of organization, beta. Now, if we talk about mode of nutrition, so they are having autotrophic, means खाना खुद बनाएंगे. कीमोसिंथेटिक का मतलब है खाना खुद बनाएंगे, लेकिन एनर्जी कहाँ से लेंगे? केमिकल से. एंड फोटोसिंथेटिक, इसमें भी खाना खुद बनाएंगे लेकिन एनर्जी कहाँ से लेंगे? सनलाइट से। फोटो मीन्स लाइट, कीमो मीन्स केमिकल्स। तो खाना बनाने के लिए जो एनर्जी चाहिए अगर वो केमिकल से ले रहे हैं वी कॉल इट कीमोसिंथेटिक. If they are taking energy from light, we call it photosynthetic. And some may be heterotrophic also. मीन्स कुछ ऐसे भी मोनेरियंस होंगे जो अपना खाना खुद नहीं बनाएंगे, राइट. दे मे बी सेप्रोफिटिक, डेड एंड डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक पे भी रह सकते हैं, और पैरासिटिक, दूसरे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स पे भी आपको मिल सकते हैं. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द फीचर्स ऑफ किंगडम मोनेरा, राइट बेटा. आई थिंक डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Now, next kingdom I will discuss tomorrow in the next video. So, thanks and have a nice day.